Welcome back to another episode. So last episode we did the upper control arms for the IRS. Today we're going to show you how to install the lowers. What I'm not going to do is show you how to clean up the ends of the tubes and all that because you've seen it on the uppers. So I'll clean these things up, get the bushings installed. Then we'll dry fit these units into the car before we really go hog wild with greasing them. I make sure everything fits. That way if I've got to clearance any holes or anything, I'm not wasting your time. So thanks again for watching it and look forward to having you along. Okay, so lower control arm. As I said, we're going to try to just see if this thing is going to mock up in there. Yeah, I'm probably getting, well, that one actually feels pretty good. A little bit of roughness there, but we'll see if we can get this thing to just mock up in here without too much effort. Bushing sticking out. Try that. Ooh, actually, well, this one's going in. Almost there. So I'll drive this bolt back out. We'll yank this thing back out. I'm going to clean up in here, clean up the holes, and then we'll grease and reinstall because I think this one here, the holes look like, yeah, and this should be pretty smooth. So I think we're okay on this one. So we're going to clean up some of here. It's a little rough. And then we'll clean out these holes, and then we can grease and reinstall because these things look good. I think we'll be A-okay. To just drop this in. Holes seem to line up good motion. Once we get some grease on it, should be good. So this one here is pretty smooth. I'll just clean it up just a little bit. Okay, so our next step is we're just going to clean up these holes a little bit. I think they're actually cutting these holes out. Looks like with a laser or something. Because there's like an edge where I think they actually start right here. So I think that's what's going on. Yeah, that's better. Okay, then we'll get some grease and install those things. The arm all greased up. These pieces are all greased, cleaned up. So I got rid of all the weld splatter, so this thing should be nice and smooth in there. Okay, that looks good. This is going nice now. Oof, yeah. That one's got to be just about there now. I could go the bolts either. Well, that bolt's got to go from the back. Might as well get them both going from the back on this. Okay, now we fight this one on in. Okay, not quite there. Almost there. Oh, this one is smooth too. That's what I want to see. That's what I like. Let's see if I can put a little pressure on this. So So what I use a screwdriver, just kind of put in there and just kind of apply the pressure in the direction I need. Use the outer thing. Oh, it's almost there. Hopefully you guys can see all this. I don't know what you can see and what you can't. So not quite going here yet. It's almost there. No, not quite. Feels like it should go in. Oh, it's got to go up a little bit. There we go. Okay. There you go. And that is smooth. Okay, so we'll clean off these threads. And then I said I'll go back through and clean this whole thing up. These also get torqued to 100 feet-pounds, just like the uppers did. So we'll torque these up. Oh, yeah, I know, I'm sorry about this. As I said, it'd be nice. I should get a tripod, but then I got to keep moving it around, so you're kind of just stuck. But you can see now the lowers are in. They move quite nicely. I got to touch up. I got a little ding right there. We'll touch that up. I don't know what that is. It's a little bit of grease. So yeah, we'll a little speck there. That's just dirt. We'll torque these down, and then we get the toe arms in, and then get the knuckles attached up here, and I'll show you that too. As I said, I'm glad I kind of mocked these up. Might mock up the other side, but looks good. So, oh, another job done. So those are the lower control arm install. Hopefully that helps you out. I didn't have to clearance any holes or anything, which is nice because you just never know. That other upper was a pain in the butt. The driver's side went in no problem. So hopefully the passenger lower goes in easy. I won't show you that unless I run into an issue, and I'll show you how to solve that issue. But right now we'll torque these things up and we'll call this thing pretty well complete. Thank you. Appreciate you watching. If you like it, hit subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on another episode.